Let's talk about Walmart. Will that fit for the parents who are looking for selling the products? I will give you a little tip today. Let us begin. So a lot of people now will know Walmart.com. They accept the third-party seller, which means they will like eBay or Amazon. But will that fit for the parents? First of all, if you are short-term or you try to sell the second-hand or handmade item, I will probably say that is not the sales channel for you. But if you try to run a long term, you already plan to go for Amazon and then you try eBay. Next one, you probably will think about Walmart.com. Why I say think about? Because if you try to apply Walmart.com, as now, the first requirement they need is you at least in the business over 1 year. So if you are new business, probably they won't accept your application because they need to see your sales. How many last year, what kind of product you already selling, how good they are, before they can accept your application. Then after they accept your application, they will review it and they will see what product you have, they will process it. Let's say today you're already in this market for 1 year. Then you will need to think about expand your business. Walmart will be one of the good place you try. Walmart still have their good and bad. So today we will talk about what is the good and bad thing. The good thing is Walmart, they also have a program like similar to Amazon. You can ship the product to the Walmart warehouse and then you can let them handle it. So you don't need to worry anything. You list the item, you answer email, they will process it. And also you can have like pretty much the same listing. If you upload the listing to Amazon by the worksheet, Walmart will have a similar one. Of course you need to change a little bit, or it's not like exactly the same, probably the column is different. They are really similar, so you can use the same worksheet you have already to do the Walmart. It will be pretty fast and easy. Even though at the beginning you upload to Amazon is like one listing by one listing, you can always like withdraw the report and then you do it on Walmart again. When you do Walmart, you already have other online channel. Doesn't matter eBay or Amazon or other channel, you already have something there. You just look at it and then input or copy and paste. It will be much faster. And since they have like the ship to Walmart program, you will be more easy if you are a parent. Let's say last time I taught on Amazon is the same. If you have kids you need to take care, you only part-time. Part-time doesn't mean it's short-term, it can be long-term, but you are not all on this business. So you can always like you do it on Amazon, like you ship the item to Walmart. So that is the one of the good things. Second of all, Walmart now is another high traffic website. People will go get the products. And you may say, oh, what about they have another one, Target. Target, they do not accept third party. Now they still only like what they think is good. They will try to look for those company, buy it, and they do not accept any third party seller to post it on their website. I'm not sure in the future, but as now they don't. So Walmart will be one of the good channel to sell it to. What is the bad thing? Walmart has few things is really bad. It's not unacceptable, but it's not good. The reason is Walmart, the third party section is not fully complete. What I mean not fully complete, they still always have some bug. In near future, I'm sure they will fix it and be same as like or even better than a lot of the other selling channel. But as now, they have some bug, and then it is really, I will say, make me crazy. Let me tell you what other. First thing is, at least on all my computer, I'm not sure other people, but on my computer, if you want to show correctly on all the Walmart Seller Center features, you need to use Chrome. Yeah, the Chrome browser. Other browser like Firefox, like IE, all of them will not give me a good result on all those features. Sometimes have bug, sometimes cannot print the order, sometimes cannot even go in or see or log in. That is one thing. Second thing is, let's say today I upload 30 products to Walmart. I still try to have it fixed with them. It's like I upload 30, sometimes only 20 21 is successful upload and publish, and then the other will have problem you need to fix or re-upload and try, and then at the end I still have a lot cannot. I already told you on eBay I have over 15,000 product listing. On Amazon I have close to that. On Walmart I don't even have half. The reason is I still cannot upload fully. Let's say today I have 20 different color of and then style shoes I need to upload with the size. Like it will be like probably 300-400 I need to upload. Even they are probably the size it will be a group. After I upload, probably like from size 7 to size 12 I only can upload size 7, 9, 10, 11, and then like the 8 and 12, no matter how I change, how I do, you cannot upload. What I can do it manually. It's hard to, they have bug in there too. I still cannot like have that part fixed. I know some of the other seller have the same issue too, but I'm sure those is a bug and it's a short term, like they will fix those in the near future. That it will be one of the problem if you concerned to put everything on them as of now. It may not be the thing it will happen. Second thing is they are not that easy to accept your application. They need to look at a lot of the things, so it's not. I understand how Walmart think. They want to find some valuable seller and then to give the best price, so they will be really hard to get on the application. And second thing is like they need the product you put on there is the lowest price. That means lowest price on all the channel you sell, also the lowest in the market. Let's say today you have a product, is a common brand name product. Let's say Amazon selling for $15, but you can post it as 20. eBay you post as 20. On Walmart you need to post 15 or less, otherwise like your listing will be gone. The reason is they need to make sure you have the lowest price for their customer. So if you cannot do low price on that product, probably don't even think to upload to there. And then they have some of the restriction, but other sales channel they have it too. They are, each of them is different, and then you need to check before you register, because some of the items you have restriction you may not be able to sell on Walmart.com. The last thing, it will be another problem. It might not happen to anyone, but it happened to me. When I list the sum of the product I have on there, they will just delete it. And then when you ask why, they will say this is confidential. They won't let you know, they just won't let you to sell it. But those items is not restricted. They are, everything is okay under the rule, but they just say confidential. They need to, you cannot sell that product on their website. I'm not sure, like is there another similar brand have the item, but it's a big customer with Walmart, or that will happen. So you need to prepare that. But if you want to look for another channel to expand to sell more product, more item, and it's really similar to Amazon, then Walmart.com will be one of the good place you go. And you need to think about you are doing the long-term one. If you short-term, don't even think about Walmart, because after you can meet all the requirements, probably it's a 1.5 year from the beginning you sell the product. So you need to be 1 year to be at least in the business before you can apply, for them to review the application, from you to set up all the account, and then listing the item. You probably take 2-3 months. So probably you will talk about 6 months for the whole processing, and then with the 1 year at least in the market, that is a 1.5 year period of time. So short term, don't think about it. Long term, or you already doing business, I will recommend Walmart as one of the good place you to sell items. A lot of people will say, I don't get order from Walmart. I don't get order from CS. I don't get Walmart from Jet.com. I seriously want to tell you, if your product have people to search around, your price is pretty reasonable, no way you cannot get the order in any of the selling channel. But of course, if you, like I said before, if you look for the channel, they don't have people to go there to check for this kind of item. Let's say handmade item, you go to sell on Walmart or Amazon, probably people may not be the first website they think to look for the handmade item. Then your sales of course is lower than you go to the other website or the selling channel that is only focused on handmade item. Or let's say today you try to sell the item on Walmart with some really expensive item, but people might not think about to go Walmart to search for those products. You will not get that. Or you're selling a book on Walmart. Walmart sell book too, but people want to buy a book. They might not go think about Amazon or Walmart. Now Amazon, for the new book, they might still have like some websites that dedicate only selling books. They might go to those places before they look for the other selling channel. So that is all. The people who want sell the second-hand item, Walmart won't accept it at all. They don't allow people sell second-hand items. All the product need to be brand new. After Walmart, it's like an option to expand your business. And another good option is similar to Amazon. If you like Amazon, you definitely like to sell on Walmart too. Then next one will be CS. They will be a little bit different. I will talk to you next Wednesday. I will upload video every Wednesday and Sunday. If you like it, give me a like, subscribe my channel, follow my IG, it will be in the description, my IG, and then click the bell so when I have the new video you won't miss it. I hope to see you next Wednesday. I will talk about CS. I'll see you soon. Thank you.